Back when the world was still open, a time before COVID, we had an adventure, a little different from the usual. We're used to the ocean and surfing. We're used to the bush and climbing mountains. But this season, we're trying something new. We're going to a city, a big city. Previously, we traveled to Hong Kong and ran into a bit of trouble with our stroller. It's currently missing, which is a bit of a bummer as we face a lot of walking in the next few days. Today, we head to Chef Mickey to see what he cooks up in a foreign country. We also prepare to turn our little girl into a princess. Hallie, I have something very special to tell you today. Guess what?
Yeah.
Today, you are gonna become a princess.
I'm Hallie.
Yeah, and you're gonna be Hallie the princess today. You're gonna go to the Bibbity Boppity Botique after we eat breakfast, and they're gonna turn you into a princess.
You excited, girl?
Yeah.
Disney holds a special spot in my heart. Growing up, my family would take us there every year for our family vacation. I have so many amazing memories from Disney. I'm so excited to build memories with my kids now. Okay, boys, we have a surprise for you boys as well. You ready to hear it?
Yes.
Okay, your surprise is today or tomorrow or both days. You get to do Jedi training.
I've never done it before, but I'll be done at Disneyland.
Yeah, do you think you're ready now, Henry?
Yes.
For Jedi training?
Ready position. Hallie, you're too little to be a Jedi, but you're gonna be a princess.
All right, guys, we made it to the Disneyland Hotel. This is where we're going to have breakfast, and this is where you're going to become a princess, Hallie.
Yeah, will you be there watching me
Yeah.
become a princess?
I will be there watching you become a princess.
And Hobie and Henry and Daddy and Hobie.
Yep, we'll all watch you turn into a princess.
Little gnome guys.
Who are these guys?
Gnomes.
Good guess. They're the dwarves, the 7 little dwarfs from Snow White.
Oh yeah.
Kids are doing the maze. There they go.
We're lost. Hobie loves his mazes. Hobie, where are you?
Follow me, you guys.
Okay, let's follow Hobie.
Alright, you guys, you guys.
Okay, we're out. Phew.
They made it.
I'm the king of mazes.
Where else have you done mazes?
At lots of different Disneys. This one was way too easy.
Yeah, you're growing up. You're getting too smart with your mazes. Kind of a funny story. I told Chris 2 years ago I would like to make it to all of the Disneys before Hobie turned 18. Chris kind of laughed at me and said he didn't think it would happen. Well, here we are 2 years later, and we've been to 3 out of the 5. We only have Tokyo and Disneyland California left. I think we'll get those last 2 no problem, especially if I'm the one planning the vacations.
Open sesame.
Chef Mickey and the Bibbity Boppity Boutique are both located in the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. It was stunning both inside and out. This is it, the first floor. Wow, oh wow, look at this. Can you guys find Disney characters in that painting? Hallie. Yeah, this is where you're gonna become a princess. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. What do you think, honey?
I think we're the first ones here.
Ooh, this all looks very yummy. Chef Mickey is a special breakfast experience where the characters come to your table and interact with you. The food is served buffet style and is absolutely amazing. There's an endless amount of options so everyone can find things they like and also try something new. They have Mickey waffles.
Hey, Mommy, this.
Wow, this looks so exciting. It just keeps going and going.
This is kind of like a Mickey donut.
Yeah, Mickey muffin.
Look
Cool.
what I did to Mickey.
Oh no, you bit Mickey's ear off.
Oh no, look what I did to Mickey.
Oh, you bit Mickey's ear off too? Wow, that's a really good breakfast.
I think I might go back for more.
Ooh, yeah, I'm excited. Hallie, look, you've got a Mickey muffin and a Mickey waffle. Show me your Mickey waffle. Hold it with your fingers. Who do you have, Hallie?
Mickey waffle.
Are you going to eat Mickey? What'd you get? Oh, that's not full enough plate, honey.
I know. I'll have to go back, or I'll eat what these boys don't eat.
No!
That's a 2-minute warning.
Oh, you got 2 minutes to eat, guys. All right. Here's my food. I love doing buffets when we go to international Disneys. They're full of like somewhat authentic food, and then they have like the American food that the kids like, and then we stuff ourselves super full so then we're not hungry later in the day. So I love it. I don't know what exactly Hallie's eating, but she likes it. I think it's got fish inside. Egg tart, famous in Hong Kong. Excited to give it a try. I'm not sure what this is. The sign said variety of dim sum, so I don't know.
Oh, I think I know what dim sum is.
That one wasn't very good. Let's try this one. It looks like
What makes it's called peppercorn. Oh, show me your
this
yucky.
one's interesting.
Mommy, was it yucky?
It was okay. Okay, now I'm gonna try this one.
So you had to click.
Is it good? You don't have a yummy face. Is it good?
Yeah, but it's not very good.
It's not very good. I'm glad you tried it though, honey. This is so exciting.
Yeah. Oh, this is so exciting.
Do you want out? Can I give him a hug? Oh, look at his whiskers. Oh, he's gonna get you.
Thank you.
He's here too. Give him a hug. Hugs. Oh. Okay, picture. Well, that's all of the Disney magic for now. Join us next time for some more as Hallie turns into a princess. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so we can see you next time.